Pelican Island over there. So I did the U and I followed her over here. She's riding on 3 wheels.
Oh boy.
I smell alcohol. She admits to drinking alcohol. I literally just stopped the car. I'm certainly not trying to dump anything on you guys. If you want to take it, it's all yours. If you don't want to, I guess you can figure it out from there.
Did you see the operation?
When she was coming around the turn, she crossed over the line.
Do we know what she hit?
I don't know, but she's leaking fluid too. Now I'm just seeing that. But I have to take a ride over and see if she hit the bridge.
Where's she from?
She's trying to go to Decatur. She's at town, Middletown. So.
How you doing?
I'm good.
Where are you coming?
Just let my girlfriend know I got pulled over.
Where are you coming from?
My girlfriend's house. My tire blew out, and now I have to get to her house.
She said her tire blew out. How much did you have to drink tonight?
Not many at all. I'm like a lightweight drinker.
All right, do me a favor, step out of the vehicle.
Are you gonna do the sobriety?
Yes.
I'm ready.
All right, just come right over here. Stand right over here. How much did you have to drink tonight?
Like 4 margaritas.
4 margaritas?
I'm a very light drinker.
Okay.
I shouldn't even drink that much.
Do you have any problems with your eyes, just the glasses?
No, just glasses.
Nothing neurological or anything? All right, do me a favor, take your glasses off.
Sure.
Feet together, hands down to your side. All right. You see the tip of my pen?
I do.
Okay, I want you to follow with your eyes and your eyes only, all right?
Okay.
And then do not move your head.
Sure.
Don't move your head, all right?
Mm-hmm.
Do you have any injuries at all that would affect your balance?
Not at all.
You comfortable doing some tests in those shoes, or you want to take them off? You good with?
I should be good with them.
Okay.
They're a little heavy, but I should be good.
Yeah, you should be fine with that. All right, so the first test is what we're going to do. It's going to be the walk and turn.
Okay.
Okay. I want you to put your left foot in front of your left. Heel touching your toe. Do me a favor, just put your right foot in front of your left. Yep.
You said left.
Yeah.
All right.
All right. I want you to stay in this position, hands down to your side the entire time.
Okay.
You're going to walk 9 steps forward.
Sure.
When you get to your 9th step, you're going to take a series of small turns, turn around, and walk 9 more steps back.
9.
All right. You're going to count out loud each step.
All right.
You're going to look at your feet the entire time, and you're going to keep your hands down to your side.
Okay.
All right.
Yep.
Hold on 1 second. Oh yeah, good point with the fluid there. Let's go right up here.
Sure.
There's
On the
just
sidewalk?
yeah, there's just some fluid on the roadway there. We don't want you to slip and fall.
So right foot in front of that. I got it.
Yep. Don't begin until you start.
Okay.
Okay. So it's going to look something like this: 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
When you get to your 9th step, you're going to keep your lead foot on the ground, take a series of small turns, and walk back. 9 more steps, counting out loud each step, looking at your feet, hands down to your side. Don't finish the test until you have completed it. Do you understand?
Yep.
All right, you may begin.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
All right, so this next test I want you to do, keep your hands down to your sides, feet together. You're going to pick a foot of your choosing, whether it be your left or your right. You're going to lift it up approximately 6 inches off the ground, foot parallel to the ground with your toe pointed straight out. All right, you're going to count out loud, 1001, 1002, 1003, until I tell you to stop. All right, while you're doing this test, I want you to keep your hands down to your side. Look down at your foot the entire time. And keep both legs.
That's tough even for somebody that works out.
All right, and you're going to keep both legs extended. All right, you're not going to lift your leg up. All right, just keep it extended out.
Till you say stop. Oof, that's tough.
All right, just hold on 1 second. If I could find my. All right, you may begin. Keep your hands down to your side. Count out loud.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay, hold on 1 second. Put your foot down. All right. I'm gonna explain it one more time.
Go ahead.
All right, you're gonna look at your foot the entire time. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004 until I tell you to stop. All right, do you understand?
Yep. Sorry about that.
No worries. All right, try it again.
1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000.
Extend your
4,
leg.
1,000, 5. Sorry. 5, 1,000. 6, 1,000. 7.
Keep your legs straight.
7, 1,000. 8, 1,000. 9, 1,000. 10, 1,000. 11, 1,000. 12, 1,000.
You want to try with your other foot?
I did.
All right. Do you need me to explain the test again, or you still got it?
I got it.
Okay. Keep your hands down to your side. Whenever you're ready. You may begin.
1, 1,000. 2, 1,000. 3, 1,000. 4, 1,000.
6, 4, 7
5, 1,000. 6, 1,000. 7, 1,000. 8, 1,000. 9, 1,000. 10, 1,000. 11, 1,000. 12, 1,000. 13, 1,000. 14, 1,000. 15, 1,000.
Do they
16,
want any call back, or
1,000.
they're just
17,
letting us know that
1,000.
the car's going to be there?
Okay, you can stop.
That was a lot.
All right, just sit there for 1 second.
Stop for, thank you.
Where'd your tire blow out?
I was driving down the road, and then all of a sudden, it just from Point Pleasant.
Right. Did you take Route 35 here? Did
Yes.
You come up?
Yes.
Okay. And at what point did you realize that the tire blew out?
It just started making this crazy noise, and I was like, "What the hell?" And I realized it was like that bad, and I had to get to Decatur to actually get somewhere to get some help.
I'm sorry, you came from what direction?
Point Pleasant. I was at Jenkins.
What route?
I think it was 35 or 37. I usually Waze. I don't really pay attention to what I was looking at, but I was looking at the Waze.
The reason I'm asking is clearly see your wheel is without a tire,
Yeah.
right? And you've been riding on it for some time. We got a call at Tom's River. I'm Tom's River officer. These are Seaside Park. We got a call at Tom's River that you were coming over the bridge.
Oh no, it didn't happen through the bridge. I swear.
Let me just finish.
I swear.
Let me just finish. We got a call that you were coming over the bridge and that you were called in as an erratic driver. Okay. When I came from the Barrier Island and I saw you, you were already heading eastbound, past the light on Pelican Island. So you came over the bridge.
I did.
With your hazards on. That's when I turned around and I started following. Okay. So, based on what I'm seeing with your wheel and the damage you have on the side of your car here, we're just trying to see what you hit. Do you remember hitting anything?
It might have been just a curb. I honestly didn't hit anybody.
I want you to take a look at the side of your car. See that black mark right there, and the
Yes.
damage to the bumper, and even as far back as your door in the back there.
Yes.
You hit something probably about 3 or 4 feet high. You're trying to figure out what curve
I
this is,
honestly
you know.
did not hit the car. I swear. If I did,
Tom's River,
I
took
A guardrail or
Go
something
through.
like that, or you know.
I mean, I know the car kind of flew out. I just went along and I had to get help, so I get the tire put on that.
We'll
I
have,
honestly,
we'll have her.
All right, so this officer.
I would have known if I hit a car.
Okay.
I would have stopped if I hit a car. If it was that bad. I'm not that stupid.
Okay.
All right. Okay, put your hands behind your back. You can be placed under arrest for driving while intoxicated. Right this way. 130 County. We're gonna have one female 41 450 start at 17 out here, please. 1 second.
All that stuff is just south of Dock House to the right lane.
Okay.
Sir, do you have a plate for that?
Yeah, stand by 1 second. Yeah, open up that door.
6-4 Suffolk County. I'm not on this Tom's River Park stop. I'll give you that plate when you're ready.
Where should we get them?
Ma'am, just real quick before you enter the
No,
car.
she really.
New Jersey, X-ray, 75, King, Echo Whiskey.
You have to seatbelt on?
You want to buckle her? I'm sorry about that.
That's right. Yeah, the whole wheel lining is in the right lane, just south of Dock Outfitters, right where the guardrail is. There's some debris in the right lane.
South of the top. Okay.
There's a, as soon as you pass Dock Outfitters, there's a speed limit sign, and a
Right.
telephone pole. It looks like right there.
Okay, so that might be ours.
But the whole
32420, correct?
wheel lining, I guess.
Does it look like she hit the curb?
She might have grabbed the guardrail.
Oh, the guardrail
If it
right
was
there.
dark, I couldn't see that.
I'm gonna take a stroll out there.
Um,
Real quick.
if you want to wait for the tow.
Yeah.
Or unless-
You have your case number?
579. Good.
Got another report of erratic driver, Central and Lafayette,
Right here.
via Altima, Tonsley and Talk. The caller is no longer behind the vehicle.
Like a moth going to the light right now.
You have your ticket book?
Yes.
Just lend it to this officer here. I'm going to get her inside.
Vehicle is constantly heading southbound. No longer behind it.
All right. You good?
Yeah.
Need anything else? Yeah, they'll help you out with that.
Awesome. Thank
And
you.
we'll go from there. So you're doing this there to maintain?
Yeah. What do you call that road on the bend right here? It's just
Causeway in.
Causeway in.
Yeah, Causeway inbound.
Okay.
It's Route 35 south.
Okay.
All right. You'll be out. So just so you're transporting the female 41.
668 County.
You're good. Nothing. Yeah, we're just pulling up now. We'll let you take care of it.
Clear me from that concert area, GOS.
I'm sorry?
Chaplain.
All right, yeah, once we get inside, we'll take those handcuffs off you, all right?
Keep
Yep.
it in. And my glasses, make sure I don't lose them, okay? That's how I see when I get home.
Yep. Once you get up,
These are actually very painful. I didn't realize how bad they were going to be.
yeah, let me put this.
It goes up. It's like a shawl kind of deal. Thank you.
Unlock the door.
Just make sure I don't lose my glasses.
I'm gonna. Oh, right here. This door here.
Can you hold them?
Yep.
Thank you. Appreciate it. If I could just blow my nose.
Yep.
at some
Once we
point.
get inside,
Thank you. I appreciate it.
just come in, walk to your left,
Sure.
and just look at that gray wall there.
Look for my wall.
Yep. Hold on to this. I'm gonna take a handcuff off. Just put your hand up on the wall, right?
Okay. Both hands.
Yep.
Okay. Like this?
Yep. Hold on one second. Let me take this one off.
You got it. Those are very painful, by the way.
Hold on one second. You've got all caught up in here.
Thank you. Like this?
Yep.
Okay.
Right. You have anything on you?
I don't.
All right. No cell phone or nothing?
No.
Yeah.
It's in my car.
Okay. All right. You could have a seat.
Thank you. May I have one of those?
Yeah, absolutely.
Are you going to hand my copy again?
I do have to just put one on you. And this one won't be.
Thank you.
Yep. You get this?
No.
Are you left tablets and vendors?
Yes.
Oh, I got it.
You can tell the dispatcher you're talking to me. It's
I'm
cool.
talking to the officer. Thank you. Get you heard.
We saw you on the camera. All right. So I have a form for you to form for you to sign, saying that you're taking responsibility of her. You're not going to let her drive. You're going to take care of all that stuff. All right?
Where would her car be?
Her car's going to be inaccurate. Tell him we can get the address for you.
Okay, awesome. Thanks.
Absolutely. So I just need you to print your name here. Everything here.
Yep.
And whenever you're done with that, I just need your license and get a copy of that.
Do that. We'll wait for that.
Yeah.
Her, me.
Got you.
Want to pick up the, are you right there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Right.
Can we call you that?
I'm sorry?
Was I supposed to do that for it?
Oh, we gotta make a copy of this for you.
No, but was I supposed to put my name on that for it?
Yes.
Alright.
Yep. Yeah. No, you're fine. We're gonna make a copy of that for you as well. And then we'll get Tabitha out here for you.
Thank you.
Sure.
An address for the phone.
Yep. Oh yes. Yes. That's it. Let me make that for you. I'll be right back. Here's the license, sir. And a copy of the potential liability form for you, and the address for the
Thank
towing
you.
company for
You happen to know the hours by any chance?
Yeah, it's like I
I
think
couldn't
it's
tell
11
ya.
a.m.
Alright.
They'll
12 hours.
probably be open, but yeah, it's
We're
a
still
12-hour
when they're
hold, so you
closed.
have to come
Well, that's
by 11 o'clock.
Alright, you have to be there by 11?
Well,
It could
no,
be
it's
later.
just anytime
Alright,
after
alright,
11.
That's fine. That's what I care about.
If you have to grab any personal belongings, they'll be able to accommodate that
Okay.
during business hours.
Okay, thanks.
All right.
Have a good one.
Thank you.